Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can wire transfer to Kraken. So first, you just have to open your Kraken, and so from here, just have to go to home, and then go ahead and tap on deposit at the bottom. So you click on this one. So once you click on that one, just go ahead and search for the currency that you want to send or to wire transfer. So in this example, we're using USD. So go ahead and click on that. So once you do that, it will show you all the bank details or the wallet address of the Kraken. So what you're gonna do next is open your bank account, other bank account, and from there, just have to click on Pay and Transfer. So under that, you will see the option of the wire money. So you have to click on that one. And then once you click on that one, you just have to go ahead and add a recipient. So once you click on that one, you will be able to see that you will have to paste all the details that's from the Kraken, and then you will just have to paste it on the other bank account. And once you're done pasting all the details, you have to make sure that you have to review all the details if it's correct, and then just confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. That's how you wire transfer from Kraken. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.